Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the Tokyo Olympic Sports 2021 Golf. The game consists of playing the ball from a tee ground into a hole by successive strokes in accordance with the rules. The objective is to hold the ball in the fewest strokes. In the early 19th century, there was no agreement on the number of holes on a golf course. Localities differed widely in the matter. Overview: Golf consists of striking a ball into a series of holes using a selection of clubs and counting the number of strokes it takes to do so. An official sport at the Paris St. Louis 1904 Games. Golf then vanished from the program until it returned at Rio 2016. There are two main tournament formats: match play, in which two golfers compete against each other hole by hole, and stroke play, in which the total number of shots taken is counted. Stroke play is used at the games, with athletes playing 4 rounds of 18 holes over 4 days, giving a total of 72 holes. 60 men's and 60 women's participate based on the world rankings as compiled by the International Golf Federation. Each hole is assigned a predetermined number of strokes depending on its degree of difficulty and length from the tee to green. For example, 3, 4 or 5. A player who succeeds in hitting the ball into the hole with that number of strokes is said to have achieved par. Doing so with 1 stroke less is called a birdie, while doing so with 2 strokes less is known as an eagle. By contrast, using 1 stroke more than par is known as a bogey, and 2 strokes over par is a double bogey. It's typically for an 18-hole golf course to have a par of 72. A player who finishes with 71 strokes on a 72 par course is said to be 1 under, while a player with finishes the same course with 74 strokes is said to be 2 over. Event program: Individual stroke play, men and women. Essence of the sport: Golf is often described as a deeply complex sport due to the unique natural features of every course and the constantly variable climatic conditions. Rough ground, water features, slopes and bunkers give courses very distinct personalities and challenges. In addition, rain, sun and wind can all affect how a course performs, with players needing to adapt constantly to changes in the weather. Players carry up to 14 clubs with them, including drivers capable of hitting the ball great distances, irons that emphasize accuracy, and putters used on the smooth running green to hole a shot. Player must apply all their judgment and experience to determine which club and which type of stroke to use. Golf is also a sport in which mental strength has a significant impact on the outcome. Player must be able to deal successfully with highly pressurized situations. One of golf's most attractive features is the absence of judges. This reflects the importance that golf assigns to fair play, and its belief that all players act in the spirit of good faith and would never intentionally engage in dishonest behavior. In this respect, golfers are considered true and worthy Olympians. Outlook for the Tokyo 2021 Games: The USA, regarded as the world's leading nation in terms of the number of its male players, at the top of the world rankings. Ross made not 1 but 2 pieces of history. Not content with recording the first ever hole-in-one at the games, he went on to become the sport's first Olympic champion in 112 years. Other countries with a deep pool of talent include Spain, Sweden and Australia. Republic of Korea is a major force in women's golf. At Rio 2016, where each country was allowed to send up to 4 athletes from the top 15 position in the world rankings, Republic of Korea fielded 4 players from the world's top 8. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.